Cooked in butter and chicken stock, these brown braised onions pair perfectly well with a variety of meals. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Start by dropping the white onions in boiling water for 1 minute. Remove from the heat, then drain and rinse with water. Trim off the root end, and the skin should easily slip off. Next, add the unsalted butter in a skillet and melt. Place the peeled onions and sauté until lightly browned. Add in the chicken stock and granulated sugar, then season with salt and ground black pepper to taste. Adjust accordingly. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes until the onions are cooked through. Drain before serving with the onion drippings, garnished with parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.